In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your domain for emails at Hostinger. This guide will take you through each step of the process so that you can start using your personalized email addresses with ease. Let's dive right in. First off, you'll need to head over to the Hostinger website. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in Hostinger or simply searching for it if you're not sure of the exact address. Once there, log into your account using your credentials. This is your main hub for managing domains and emails, so make sure you're comfortable navigating through it. Once you're logged in, look for the emails section on your dashboard. This is where all your email settings and options can be found. Click on it to access your email management area. As you explore this area, you'll notice various options and settings, but for today, we'll focus on setting up your domain for emails. Now, it's time to manage your email settings. To do this, locate the Manage tab and click on it. This will take you to a new screen where you'll be able to see more detailed options related to your email setup. Don't worry if it all looks a bit overwhelming at first. We'll guide you through each important step. Next, navigate to Mailboxes. This is where you can create new mailboxes for your domain. Simply click on Mailboxes and you'll be one step closer to having your professional email. You'll see an option to create a new mailbox. Click on that. Here, you can set up your first email address. If you require more than one mailbox, you can always choose to upgrade your plan. With your mailbox set up, the next step is connecting your domain. Locate the option to Connect Domain within the settings, click on it, and you'll be prompted to enter your domain name. Follow the instructions provided by Hostinger to ensure that your domain is correctly connected. It's a straightforward process, but this step is crucial for getting your emails up and running smoothly. Once you've connected your domain, you'll find yourself back in the Mailboxes section. From here, you can click on Webmail to take you to the Hostinger Webmail interface. This interface is where you'll actually be sending and receiving emails. To access your mailbox, click on Login. Congrats! You're now ready to start handling emails directly from your business's domain. Navigate around to familiarize yourself with the email functions available to you. By following these steps, you have successfully set up your domain for emails at Hostinger and can now manage your communications professionally. Whether it's for business or personal use, having a domain-specific email adds a touch of professionalism to your interactions. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for tuning in and happy emailing.